Well, headers are in, guys. For the most part, they're unscathed. I got a couple little nicks on them here and there, but like I said, it's an A-body. It is what it is. Passenger side was actually harder than the driver's side. Driver's side went in nice and easy. Passenger side, I ended up taking down the whole drag link, taking the oil filter off, lowering the transmission even more, raising the engine up higher, and I ended up having to put it in from the top, believe it or not. It was a lot easier for me, being by myself. But, yeah, everything is back together except for the front steering linkage. That's tomorrow. Today really took a lot out of me. It took me, by myself, it took me 4.5, almost 5 hours, and my floor jack took a shit on me, and I had to run up and get another one. The one I've had it for about 35 years, and I guess it was time. But there it is. Headers are in. Cheap headers are not TTIs. I can't afford those guys. So we just work with what we can. That's it for now. Like I said, I got to come back out. I got to put the suspension back together. I got to hook up the exhaust, and I got to configure my shifter linkages and all that stuff. But thanks for watching, guys. See you again soon. Bye now.